when in the compose page, if you try to send your message and been given a failed notice, it may be that you don't have sufficient message credits. To check your message credits, simply click on the account button and select the messages option. If you have a prepaid type of account, your messages remaining will be displayed there. This will also display the messages you've used in your account. Another possibility may be if you are sending to a group. If you have, for example, only 30 message credits remaining and are sending to a group that has more recipients than 30 in it, the message will fail to send. To avoid running out of message credits, you can select the message credit alert. This will alert you when your account only has a certain number of message credits left. If you wish to send a message from the compose page and you do not wish the recipient to be able to return the message, you can change the source of your message by clicking on the More Options tag just beneath the space where you free type your message. Click on More Options and this will display the source. Normally the source will be your dedicated telephone number. If you have the correct permission, Edit Message Source, you can remove this telephone number and add in a source of your choice. If you use text, you need to use 11 characters only, 11 characters or less in fact. If you use the text or an invalid telephone number, the recipient of your message will not be able to respond to the text that you have sent them, and then you are effectively broadcasting only. If you wish to check the status of a message, go to the Sent page by clicking on the Sent button. You will see here all the messages that have been sent from your account. The last message you send will always appear at the top of the page. If you wish to check this message and whether it has been sent successfully, click on the message itself. You'll see displayed the recipient of the message, their telephone number, the content of the message, and the time and date when the message was sent. On the right hand side, you will also see the status of the message. The status will either be failed, unconfirmed, or successful. Any failed messages will appear with a red dot and a cross through them. Any unconfirmed messages will appear with a green dot. Any messages that have been sent successfully will appear with a green dot and a tick on it. If you also wanted to remove any of the numbers whose message has failed to be delivered, you will notice just above the messages there's an option to select only failed messages. If you select only the failed messages and click on Go, only the failed messages will be seen. You will then be given a further option to remove the telephone number of any failed messages from your address book. If you are unable to see any inbound messages in your inbox, it may be that you don't yet have a keyword. If you are sending from an account that uses a shared number, it's necessary that you have a keyword in order for any inbound messages sent to yourself to be filtered down into your particular account. You can check your keywords by clicking on the Account button, and in the center of the page your keywords will be displayed. Students must be aware of what your keyword is, and they must start their messages to you with the keyword, then a space, then write their message. You can remind students of your keyword either by adding them to your template or adding them to your signature. This can be done in the templates page.